basket X had 125 fruits and basket Y had 293 fruits at first. After an equal number of fruits were removed from both baskets, basket Y had 3 times as many fruits as basket X. How many fruits were there in basket X in the end? Now, the key words for this question is this. Okay, after an equal number of fruits were removed. Okay, so you are taking away an equal number of fruits. So why is this a keyword? Because when you remove equal numbers from each basket, the difference will remain the same. Okay, so please take note of this. For example, if Coach Irfan had $100 and his daughter had $80, okay, and Coach Irfan decided to go for shopping, spend $50, daughter also spent an equal amount of money. I will be having $50 left, right? As for my daughter, 80 minus 50, she'll be having $30 left. If you realize, the difference at the start, right, between 100 and 80 is $20. At the end is also $20 because 50 minus 30 is also $20. Difference remain the same. Alright, I repeat, difference remain the same. Because an equal amount of money is being spent. In this case, an equal number of fruits is being removed. Alright, so how do we approach this question? Very quickly, we can draw a BCA table. Before, change, and after. Alright, so we have basket X here, we have basket Y later on. Okay, so at the start here, 125 fruits in X and 293 fruits in Y. Okay, and then we also have the difference over here, which has to remain the same. 293 minus 125, 168 fruits. Okay, now in the end, what happened? A basket Y had 3 times as many fruits as basket X. So basket Y, we give it 3 units. Basket X, 1 unit. What's the difference then? That would be 3 minus 1, that would be 2 units. So the difference remain the same, which means 2 units must be equals to 168 fruits. 168 fruits. So we proceed to find 1 unit. That will be 168 divided by 2, 84 fruits. Okay, so how many fruits were there in basket X? In the end, there's just 1 unit and there's just 84 fruits.